Hey guys, I'm Josh with Colorado Off-Road Engineering. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do an oil change on a first gen 2004 Tacoma. As always, I'm going to show you guys how to do all the steps in less than 2 minutes. So let's get started. Here's what we're going to need. 5W30 oil. We'll need 5.5 quarts of that. Oil filter, drain plug, crush washer, flathead screwdriver, torque wrench if you have one, 3/8" drive with a extension, a 13 and a 14 millimeter socket, funnel, and an oil pan. Start, we're gonna take the skid plate off. It has 6 13 millimeter head bolts to get it off. Now that the skid plate is removed, we're gonna use our 14 millimeter socket to break this drain plug, move your oil pan underneath, and let it drain all the way out. Once all the oil is drained, make sure to remove this crush washer. Then we're gonna take our new crush washer, put it back on the bolt, thread it up, get it snug. Then we're gonna torque the drain plug bolt to 30 foot-pounds. Now your oil filter is located on the driver's side of the engine. I'm going to loosen the oil filter by reaching through the wheel well. Position your oil pan underneath the filter. Now we're gonna crack it a little bit until it starts to leak. Let that drain down into the oil pan. After that's done draining, we can take the filter all the way off and let it drain out. Now we're gonna take our OEM filter, remove the plastic wrap, take a little bit of our new oil on my finger and dab it around this rubber seal so that we can ensure that we get a tight seal once it gets mated back up with the motor. Now we're gonna put our new filter back where we just removed the old one. And I'm gonna get that pretty much as tight as I can get it in this position. Your oil cap is right here on this side of the motor. We're gonna take that cap off, add 5.5 quarts of oil. Then we're gonna put our oil cap back on. Now I'm gonna start the truck, let the oil run for a little bit, and then we'll check the level. We're gonna pull the dipstick, wipe it down with a rag, stick it back in, pull it back out. We're gonna check that the oil level is in the middle of the dots. All right guys, thanks for sticking with me. If there's any other maintenance items that you'd like to see me do in less than 2 minutes, leave a comment below. Like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.